Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy here. Today I am going to be unboxing my new in the box Casablanca 4 Season 3. I have my Fanimation Huxley on medium right now, just to give me a breeze. And it's a nice day out. It's a nice day out today, so I'm running my bedroom fan also on medium. Except medium's my favorite speed too. And I'm sad to take the Huxley down and but I'm happy to put this up too. It's gonna be bittersweet when Oh, and also something I forgot to mention, that the Casablanca 4 Seasons 2 starts at 83. No, it starts at 78. Well, just the letter. I have the 24-inch down rod that goes into my room right now. Ah, blades. Here are the blades. They reverse from platinum gray to cherry wood. They would look nice with the platinum blades. Blade arms. We can keep those together. Here's the motor. And a switch cut for the fan too. It does include a down rod, but I'm not going to use a 24-inch down rod. And it comes with a balancing kit too, in case if the fan ever starts wobbling. And it comes with a Casablanca screwdriver, just like my Fanimation Huxley. Just like when I got the Quad and the Glide Air, they include the same warranty. So I'm going to put the blades back in the box since I'm not allowed to use the electrical system. And I might want to do one last video of the Huxley, maybe a music edition with the cherrywood side showing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.